getting paid to travel around the country. Nako, hashtag ultimate goal yan, di ba? But you know what? Yan lang naman ang mga ganap ng ating Galagram guest na isang conservation and travel photographer.
Aha, mapapasana all ka na lang talaga. Kaya join ka na sa chikahan namin ni Pars Jose Gabriel Mejia or si Pars Gab.
Hi Mars Camille, hi Mars Iya.
Alam mo, Gab, you are so lucky because, you know, I often hear this from people when they see Drew, and of course, because Drew has a travel show, so you have a lot of people saying, sana all. Ikaw yung literal na, I mean, you might not be working on TV with a travel show, but you've got your own thing going on and being paid to travel and go to all these beautiful places around our country. How lucky are you?
Yeah, just so grateful for it. Super fun job.
And at such a young age too. When did you start?
Well, I started hiking in the Philippines when I was 13, but I really got into professional photography and travel, making films and documentaries noong 18 na ako, nung college. So around like 6 years ago.
So I suppose in college, what did you take up in college?
Well, it's funny actually, I take up civil engineering. I took up civil engineering, so medyo far away. But
So it was really just a hobby nung umpisa?
Yeah, I really loved hiking. So hobby talaga siya nung una. Then I guess I really wanted to push it into a career to make a living out of it, because this is my passion. This is what I want to do when I grow up and like really live the life that I want to live.
Wow, Mars. Coming from this young man, Mars.
Yes, pero kung maisip mo, Mars, siya yung tipo na tao na tinapos na muna yung pag-aaral niya, kumuha muna siya ng degree, tsaka na pinursue yung hobby niya, and look kung nasaan siya ngayon. Successful siya kasi nandun talaga yung heart niya, Mars. Pero may degree siya, o diba?
At what? At such a young age of what? 24?
Yup, 24.
Gab, let's go! Saan mo ba kami igagala today?
So una, punta tayo sa Mount Pulag. Actually, yung Mount Pulag yung parang pinakaunang bundok ko sa Philippines na na-climb. So, sobrang ganda ng Mount Pulag.
Did you take the hard route?
Yeah, the
Or
Akiki.
the easy one?
The Akiki
You did
Trail.
the hard one!
Yeah, and also the Ambageg. I've been to Mount Pulag several times just to document, you know, the dwarf bamboo, the white rainbows, the sea of clouds, laga. Then I also love to travel, punta sa Visayas, yung mga beaches, and experience and visit wildlife, like document the tarsiers, and go around cruises in the wetlands, sa mga river, at syempre yung mga primary forest natin, yung mga forest na sobrang hindi pa natatouch. And syempre, di ba yung famous chocolate
at sana
hills?
hindi na ever matouch.
Oo nga, sana
Diba?
ma-protect and conserve talaga.
Yes.
Pero yung favorite ko talaga yung sa Agusan, sa Mindanao, yung sobrang jungle, very pristine na lakes. Pero yun nga, nasusunog, dinodocument namin yung mga fires, kasi nasisira na talaga yung mga places sa Philippines na hindi pa, nadidiscover at hindi pa na-experience ng mga ibang
bakit
tao.
siya nasasunog?
Bakit nasunog?
Yun, the effects of climate change as well, and yung mga illegal logging, yung mga plantations na sinisira yung protected area.
Nasad ako dun sa last part, Mars. Happy na ako nung umpisa, tapos parang nasad ako nung bandang huli.
Dapat pala baliktad yung
May nasunog.
Kaya, ikaw talaga, Gab, ano ba yan?
Gab, kasi di ba you're a conservation and travel photographer. So ano naman yung mga advocacy na ginagawa ninyo to make sure na masabi sa lahat ng tao kung paano pa natin maaalagaan yung environment natin, yung forests natin, at lahat pa ng mga lugar na napupuntahan mo. Paano natin i-encourage yung mga Mars at Pars natin out there na kailangan talaga natin to do it together to protect our environment?
I think the first step is para ma-experience ng mga tao, mga Filipinos, yung kagandahan ng mga mountains, mga beaches natin. I think doon nagsisimula yun, yung love talaga sa environment, para, nakita na pwede pala natin protektahan to. May mga animals tayo na ganito, may mga creatures pala tayo na pwede natin i-take pride in. So, para for them to share that love and awareness for, the issues that are happening sa Pilipinas, katulad nung sa Agusan.
Mars, meron siyang projects for WWF, and currently, Meron naman siyang work for National Geographic Storytelling Project. Oh, wow! These are huge projects, Gab!
Can you tell us more about these projects of yours, Gab?
Yeah, for the WWF, I really worked and lived with the Tamaraw Rangers. So yung Tamaraw is one of the, national land mammals of the Philippines. And yun, the effects of the pandemic, I was documenting their lives of how, the pandemic affected the poaching, yung pinapatay yung mga Tamaraw kahit endangered na sila. Then also the stories, I wanted to tell the stories of the Rangers. And the Agusan one was the videos that I showed. We were making a documentary and had it published in National Geographic. Yun, kasi nasisira talaga because of climate change. And yung Manobo indigenous community, we were living with them for 2 years and really documenting their lives and how to show na you can coexist, you can live with nature talaga in the Philippines.
Wow! Mars, excited akong makita at mapanood lahat yun, diba?
Sana nga mas maraming mga kabataan, mga tao na mag-go into this field kasi konti pa lang talaga yung nag-pursue sa career ng conservation photography.
Gab, para sa mga Mars at Pars natin dyan who are inspired with what you do and would like to be updated with everything that you're doing, do you have any social media accounts that they can follow?
Yeah, I usually post the stories and photos on my Instagram. So it's just my name. My handle is Gab Mejia.
Ayan, check natin lahat ng mga ganap ni Gab dyan. Thank you, Gab!
Thanks, Gab!
Thank you!